This looks like high-end leather. It feels like high-end leather.
But no animal was harmed to make it. In fact, it wasn't even made from plastic.
This luxury wallet began its life as a banana tree.
Welcome inside one of the most innovative factories in the USA.
Today, we're going to show you the full process of turning agricultural waste into luxury fashion.
If you love sustainable innovation, hit that subscribe button right now.
The process starts here at the loading dock.
These stems are usually discarded by farmers after the fruit is harvested.
Instead of rotting in a field, they arrive here to be given a second life.
The banana stem is made of concentric layers, rich in strong natural fibers.
Separate the sheaths. The outer layers are tough, the inner layers are finer.
First, we must remove the excess water. Banana stems are over 80% water.
Once pressed, we are left with the raw fibrous structure.
The fiber is washed to remove sugars and sticky sap.
We use bioenzymes, not harsh chemicals, to clean the fibers.
The clean fibers are hung to air dry in a humidity-controlled room.
Banana fiber is incredibly strong, historically used for ropes and mats.
To make leather, we need to refine this coarse rope into something soft.
The carding process separates the strands into a soft, wool-like texture.
Now for the secret sauce. We mix the fiber with natural bioresins.
These resins are plant-based, ensuring the final product remains biodegradable. The mixture is spread evenly onto trays to form sheets.
High pressure and heat fuse the fibers and resin together. It compresses the material, removing air pockets and aligning the structure.
What emerges is a raw sheet of Bananatex material.
It's strong, but it doesn't look like leather yet.
We apply a natural wax coating for water resistance and durability. Then, it's tumbled. This mechanical action softens the fibers, giving it a supple drape.
For color, we use non-toxic, vegetable-based dyes.
Multiple thin layers are applied to create a deep, rich tone.
To mimic the look of animal hide, we emboss the surface.
Heat and pressure stamp a pebble grain pattern onto the plant fibers.
The material is now ready. It's flexible, waterproof, and visually identical to leather.
Now the material moves to the manufacturing floor to become a wallet.
We use laser cutters for absolute precision on the card slots. This reduces waste, allowing us to nest the patterns tightly. For the main body panels, we use a traditional hydraulic clicker press.
The edges are skivved or thinned down to prevent the wallet from being bulky.
This allows us to fold the edges over for a refined luxury finish.
Artisans hand-fold the edges. This material behaves just like traditional calfskin.
A recycled polyester lining is added for structural support. Before assemble, the brand logo is hot stamped in gold foil. The internal card pockets are stacked and temporarily glued in position. Precise stitching secures the pockets. We use high-tensile bonded nylon thread.
Even with machines, it takes a steady hand to ensure a straight line on such small items.
Loose threads are trimmed and melted to prevent unraveling.
The interior and exterior panels are now married together.
A light hammering ensures the bond is tight before the final stitch.
The perimeter stitch is the most critical. It holds the entire structure together.
Turning the corners requires slowing down to maintain stitch spacing.
The raw edges are sealed with edge paint.
This is a multi-step process. Paint, dry, sand, repeat.
It creates a seamless, rubberized seal that protects the fibers from moisture.
A heated creasing iron draws a decorative line next to the stitching.
This not only looks good, but compacts the fibers for added durability.
Before packaging, every millimeter is inspected.
Any stray glue or dust is removed.
We test the hinge flexibility. Banana fiber is naturally elastic.
The packaging reflects the origin of the product.
It's placed in a box made from recycled agricultural waste.
A certificate of authenticity guarantees the craftsmanship.
Can you tell the difference? Visually, it's almost impossible. Sure. Banana leather is scratch resistant and highly durable. Thanks to the natural wax coating, it repels water just like treated animal hide.
Over time, it will even develop a unique patina, just like traditional leather.
But the real difference is the environmental footprint. Producing banana leather requires a fraction of the water needed for cattle farming. And because it uses waste material, it's effectively carbon neutral. Millions of tons of banana stems are wasted annually. The potential here is massive.
This process also provides extra income for banana farmers who sell the stems.
We aren't stopping at wallets. Handbags, belts, and shoes are next.
And we are proud to be manufacturing right here in the United States.
Combining American craftsmanship with next-generation materials.
We believe the definition of luxury is changing.
It's no longer just about the brand name. It's about the impact.
Even our production scraps are composted. Nothing goes to a landfill.
Old school tools, new school thinking.
The material takes dye beautifully, allowing for a full range of colors.
Most people can't believe this came from a tree trunk. From a byproduct of fruit farming. To resilient natural fiber. To a luxury material sheet. And finally, a handcrafted piece of art.
It's a journey of transformation that honors the planet.
While the process is labor-intensive, the price is competitive with premium leather. These are available now for those seeking a sustainable alternative.
Praca sempre sempre sas. This is just the beginning for plant-based leather.
We are also experimenting with cactus and pineapple fibers.
But the banana stem remains our favorite for its strength and texture. Thanks to the incredible team here making this possible.
We hope this inspired you to look at waste differently.